I'm Angie and we're at Well Seasoned Gourmet Food Store here in Langley today. You know, if you've been following us for a while, how much fun we love to have with our food, but we also like to have some fun with our cocktails. So here at Well Seasoned, we carry this product called Zipzicle. Zipzicles are essentially an empty, reusable freezy mold with a little Ziploc top. So what I've created here is a Pimm's. So one of my favorite summer cocktails is a Pimm's cup. Pimm's, lemonade, ginger ale, fresh strawberries, cucumbers, and a little orange. That's what the cocktail is. And then what you do with your Zipzicles is you take your funnel and then you go ahead and fill it with your Pimm's cocktail mix. And there's a line on there that tells you how full you should fill it. You want to be careful that you're not overfilling it because they'll burst when they freeze. Then once this is done, you just seal the little zip top, pop it up right in the freezer so it freezes evenly. And then when they're done, you have these delicious little Pimm's Zipzicles, so you can take them out on your patio and make some friends. Have some fun entertaining this summer. Come see us if you need some more ideas.